Welcome to KWFit. I'm Ken. This video is part of the Fit1Too program. Coming up next, I'm going to take you through the Circuit 1 workout. Now, the Circuit 1 workout is a total body workout designed to target your major muscle groups. While this is a resistance or weight training session, you will feel a cardio effect due to the speed of the workout. This means that your heart rate will increase and you're going to feel it in your lungs. Be mindful of your current abilities, and if you start feeling lightheaded, nauseous, or if you have any pain in your joints, you need to back off and reevaluate your pace, level of effort, and your form. Now, you're going to need a set of resistance bands, dumbbells, or a backpack. You'll also need a timer or stopwatch and the workout guide available at KWFit.com. Now, the workout guide is very important. It contains instructions and charts so you can track your progress. Make sure you have gone and downloaded that workout guide. Start by doing one of the warm-up videos on our site. When you're ready, start the timer and try to get through as many rounds as possible within 30 minutes. Once your time is up, you're done. Take breaks whenever you need to. You don't have to wait till the end of the round to get a drink or to towel off. Now, the next time you do this workout, your objective is to do more rounds, more reps, or use more resistance, still staying within that 30-minute time limit and the 12 to 15 rep range. Now, let's get on with the workout. So now we're going to go over how to do squats using a backpack. And I know what you're thinking, Ken, all I need to do is just throw a bunch of weights in this thing and then I can strap it to my back and start doing a bunch of squats. Actually, I don't want you to do that. If you've ever tried to maintain proper posture while having a heavy backpack strapped to you, you know it's difficult to do. Your body wants to counteract that weight by hunching forward, and that's going to put you in a bad position for doing squats. So instead, we're going to bring this around in the front. I'm going to take my arms through the straps like that, crossing my hands, and now I'm going to hug this thing nice and tight next to my chest. This is going to allow me to maintain good posture throughout the movement. My back is nice and straight, my shoulders are down and back, and my chest is out proud. I'm going to have my toes in a straight line, my feet are pointed out just slightly so that it's something that's comfortable and I have a good base. And all I'm going to do is concentrate on bringing my butt down to my heels. So I'm going to hinge at the hips, knees, and ankles. I'm going to go as low as I can possibly go. Now remember, you need to determine how low is safe for you, but I want you to go as low as you're able. Now, once I'm in this position, I'm going to press through my heels, keeping my feet flat on the floor, back up into an upright position. So once again, concentrate on bringing my butt down to my heels. Don't bend at the back. I'm going to go as low as I can possibly go. Press through the heels, keeping my feet flat, back into a standing position. So now we're going to go over a move called the Scarecrow, and this is designed to work your shoulders. We're going to set this up by getting in kind of a lunge position. I'm going to work my right arm, so I'm going to bring my left leg out in front of me. My knee is slightly bent. I'm going to bring my arm out to the side. I have a 90-degree angle here in my elbow, and all I'm going to do is rotate at the shoulder and bring my palm up, so now it's facing the wall. So I'm going to rotate down. My forearm is parallel to the floor. My palm is facing down. Coming up, the palm is now facing the wall, just like that, and then back down again. So you're going to rotate up and down like so. When you're done with the number of reps you need to do, bring the weight down in a controlled fashion, and then set up the left side. So my right leg is going to come forward, my knee is slightly bent, left leg is straight behind. I'm going to bring my arm out, maintain that 90-degree angle in my left arm, and then rotate up like that, and then back down again. Now remember, for this exercise, you need to use a relatively light weight, okay? You don't need a heavy weight for this to be effective. So start off light until you get used to the movement, and then you can add more weight as you go. Next, we're going to do a bicep curl. I'm going to work my right arm. I'm going to set this up by getting in that lunge position again with my left leg forward, knee is slightly bent. I'm going to grab the backpack through the loop on the top like that, bring it down like so, keep my shoulders nice and straight. All I'm going to do is just bring my palm up to my shoulder like that and then back down again. Remember, control the weight on the way down. Don't let it just fall to the ground. If you do that, you're missing out on half of the movement and you won't get the results you're looking for, all right? So control that weight on the way down. Once you're done with the right arm, you're just going to switch it over to the left. Bring that right leg forward, slight bend in the knee, and again, just bring that palm up to your shoulder and then back down again, controlling the weight on the way up and control it on the way down. So this move is called an overhead tricep extension. I'm going to work my right arm, so I'm going to set up once again in that lunge position where my left leg is forward, my knee is slightly bent, and I'm going to bring my arm up behind my head like so and have this elbow pointed pretty much toward the ceiling, and I'm going to just bring my palm up toward the ceiling like that and then back down again. I'm just grabbing the backpack through the hoop on the top, come up like this and then back down. Now you don't need a lot of weight for this exercise to be effective, okay? So start off light until you get used to the movement, and then you can increase the weight over time. Once you're done with the right arm, you just switch it up, bring the right leg forward, the knee is slightly bent, bring the backpack up behind your head like this, and then again, bring that palm up toward the ceiling, and then back down again. Keep that elbow up nice and high, okay? I don't want to see it come down here where it's pointed forward, or you don't want to point it out to the side. Keep it up nice and high as you're bringing your palm up. Now this move is called a single arm row, and then we sometimes refer to it as a lawnmower because it's like trying to pull start an old lawnmower. But what we're going to do is set up in that lunge position once more. I'm going to work my right arm, so I got my left leg forward, knee is bent, back leg is straight behind me. I'm going to come forward, bending at the hips, and so my shoulders are going a little bit past my knee, and then I'm going to keep my back nice and straight. I'm going to take my left hand and rest it here on my knee for support. I don't want to push into my knee, okay, but I'm just leaving it here for support. I'm grabbing the backpack through this hoop up here at the top, and I'm going to keep my elbow in nice and tight as I pull it back. So I'm coming up here just like this. It's kind of like I said, starting a lawnmower, like you're pulling that string, trying to get that lawnmower to start. All right, once I'm done working the right side, I switch it over to the left side. That right leg comes forward, the knee is slightly bent, the left leg is straight behind. I'm going to bring my right hand, balance it here on my knee, and then I'm going to bring my left arm up like that, concentrating on bringing the weight here, or the backpack up into my chest, just like that. Now, keep an eye on your wrist. Make sure you're not curling it in or out. You want your wrist to be in a neutral position throughout the entire movement, all right? Just like so. Now we're going to talk about good old-fashioned push-ups, and there's a few different ways that you can do these depending on your abilities. I'm going to start by demonstrating push-up on my knees. I'm going to come down here like so. And one of the main things to remember is that the point of movement needs to be at your knees, not your waist. I see a lot of people doing push-ups on their knees, and they're actually moving at their waist. If you see here, my knees are not moving at all, and I'm basically just pivoting at my waist as I go up and down. You want to make sure that your back is nice and straight, and as you go down, your butt is moving down with your body as you do the push-up, okay? So the fulcrum, or the movement there, is at the knees and not at the waist, okay? So that's how to properly do a push-up on your knees. Now, to make it slightly harder, you're going to go to your toes like so. Again, keep your back nice and straight, come down nice and low, and then back up like so. And if you want to make it even harder, what you can do is you can grab your handy-dandy backpack and then come down this way, and you can do your push-ups by adding 5, 10, 15, 20 pounds, whatever you need to get into the rep range that you're supposed to be in, all right? So there's a few different ways that you can do push-ups based on your ability. Okay, there you have it. Those are the moves you're going to need to complete this circuit workout. Keep in mind that the first time you go through this workout, it may take you longer due to learning the moves and figuring out how much resistance you should use. Don't get discouraged if you don't make it through all 4 rounds in 30 minutes. You'll get more efficient with these workouts the more you do them. Once you're done, you need to start thinking about the next 23 hours and how you're going to prepare for your next workout. If you're filling your body full of empty calories and not getting enough rest, you've just going to undo everything that you've done. I hope you enjoy the workout. Good luck, and I'll see you next time.